Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You've opened the document, now act. First, save changes so you won't lose edits when renaming. Next, check where the file lives: local drive, OneDrive, or a network folder, because method differs slightly. Once done, close any other apps that might lock the file and keep Word open for quick verification. Make sure you have permission to rename in shared locations. If not, request edit access. This primes the environment so the rename proceeds smoothly. Start with save as if you want a quick in-app rename and a new copy. Choose folder and type the new name, then save. If you prefer file system rename, close Word, open File Explorer or Finder, locate the file, right-click and choose Rename, then enter the new name. For cloud files, make sure OneDrive sync finishes before reopening Word. Once you've renamed, reopen the document to confirm the title and to ensure links or references still work. Finish by reopening the document and verifying the title bar shows the new name. Save again to update metadata. If you encounter errors, file locked or permission denied, check who has it open, close conflicting apps, or ask an admin to release the lock. If links break or content seems missing, use Word's version history or your backup to restore the prior copy. Then repeat rename using save as to create a safe, new file. This resolves most rename problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.